everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Afolake. If you're new to my channel, do hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to receive more content that I share. I share lifestyle content for new and aspiring immigrants that are looking forward to coming into a new land such as Canada. I'm filming from Saskatoon in Saskatchewan, Canada, and it's good to have you guys join me on today's vlog. Guys, I have my twin sister here, my twinnie. She's Taiwo and I'm Kende. But don't worry, we'll leave that just for later. So I thought it was good to have some outdoor vlogging. It's been a good weather, although it's raining. But trust me, the rain here is drizzling. I call it drizzling because I know rain when I see one. But before the snow actually takes us back indoors, it would be nice for us to vlog outdoor and see, you know, a couple of things that happen outside, at least from my house or from my sitting room where I vlog. Another angle to vlog in. So guys, we are going out. I'm taking you out somewhere. If you can guess where we're going to, maybe I should give you some music or let you guess. Is somebody still guessing? I guess I've sold you out already from my thumbnail and from the title of this video, because if you are still thinking, I think I need to take you back to A for apple class or B for ball class. Anyway, we are going somewhere where we can shop for pre-owned items or fairly used items, but it's good. I call it, from one of the vlogs that I posted, I talked about where you could get as new immigrants, for you to settle early and faster. You could get items that are pre-owned, that are not pricey, and then you can use that in the interim before you eventually find your footing and be able to get things. But everybody still goes there. If you have not won anything that has been passed down to you before, hands up, from an elder brother or from an elder sister, you know those pass me down clothes, we all have, right? So nobody should talk. It is not used clothes that cannot be worn. At least it's better than the Yaba bend down boutique or the Ojelekba bend down boutique. Anyway, those that understand the gist. But I'm going to take you down with me. Let's look at what they have. I just want this vlog to, I'm filming this vlog to make all those that are looking forward to landing see where they can get items. Some are even decorative. You can get clothing, you can get electronics, you can get things in your kitchen, you can get so many things. Whatever, books, there are books that are there. Some are even new items. People just give them away. If you have things that you don't want to use anymore, you can sell off. I mentioned on Kijiji or on Marketplace, and you can also take them to places like Value Village and they sell for cheap. If you find anything in your home that you don't need, you can take them there. People are always ready to pick them up for a little amount. So I'm talking too much. When we get in, we'll get in. Let's see what they have there. So see you in a bit.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out? Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you wanna fix our problems? Baby, I can show you how. Don't you wanna love me better, love me better, love me now? Don't you